You can pass full expressions as an argument. The function rather will receive the result of evaluating the expression. For example, these two function calls below would yield the same result. Note that the order operation rule PEMDAS, which is the parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction applies. So here are the same. These two function call would yield the same result because 2 times 3 would be 6 plus 1 would be 7. So 7 would be the argument, whereas the other function call is also 7. This part is an expression as an argument for the first test function call. So in our case, we have to update our character value to be repeated in this expression. So our character value would be in this part. Because the character variable is this, would be repeated on the current row number of times. So we have to update this argument into an expression of this one. So 2 multiplied by the row number and minus 1. Nice.